Thank you, Dr. Abdishakur. Your question can be very unsettling to some people, and the content that I'm going to put on this particular video may be disturbing to some people. So if you do wish to continue listening, please do consider that a warning. When a person is sexually interested in an animal and goes on to engage in sexual activity with that animal, then that is considered a psychiatric disorder. It's called zoophilia. A lot of people may experience discomfort with these abnormal sexual desires, and so they might come to seek for help before even attempting to engage in a sexual activity with that animal. But some may go ahead and engage in sexual behavior with the animal. Remember, normal sexual behavior is with an adult who is consenting to the behavior. So here the animal cannot give consent, which puts it under the broader spectrum of what we call paraphilias. It's a category for abnormal sexual behaviors, abnormal sexual desires that do not conform to the conventional sexual intercourse that we know about. And I know that in recent times that can be challenged. So under paraphilias, you have the zoophilia, where a person is sexually attracted to an animal, and they get a lot of tension that comes with those feelings of attraction, to the point that the only way to settle those desires is by gratifying their feelings, so by doing the behavior. So other disorders that we find under paraphilia include voyeuristic disorder, where a person peeps into the hole or the window of other people to see them naked or engaging in sexual behavior, and they get off on that. We have voyeuristic, where a person, exhibitionistic, where a person exposes their genitals in public to get a reaction, and that disgusted or repulsive reaction is what gets them off. Then we have frotteuristic, where a person rubs their genital against another person who is non-consenting. Remember, all these activities I've pointed out are with a non-consenting person. And then we come to pedophilia, where an adult is sexually interested in a child who is not a child less than 12 years old. Then we have sexual masochism, where a person gets sexually gratified by being humiliated or experiencing some physical suffering. We have sexual sadism, where a person gets off by inflicting those physical pain to another person. And I think I've mentioned most of them in that category. Yeah.